Welcome to our this year's edition of Counter Talk. Compared to last year, we are not chatting on a busy trade show booth, but down here in this beautiful German wine cellar. Today I'm meeting Dr. Christoph Schumacher of Arburg. Unfortunately, he cannot join me in person, so we are connected remotely. We are doing our little wine tasting on both sides of the screen. So, welcome Christoph, and I hope you have a good glass of wine in front of you as well. Yes, you have. Cheers, and thanks for joining.
Thanks a lot, Guido. And let us take it like in the famous Metallica song, so close, no matter how far. Cheers.
Cheers. Christoph, this year is completely different, completely new compared to recent years because of COVID-19. Nevertheless, Formnext and its exhibitors decided to have an alternative format. How do you like this new format of Formnext Connect?
Yeah, you know, as a founding member of Formnext and as a member in the Exhibitors Advisory Board, we are looking in a very extremely positive way to Formnext in general. But to be honest, we have to look at the end of the show and then we have to do a very serious analysis. But from this point of today, I think we're running very well.
And do you think it will substitute the traditional way of doing trade shows in the long run?
This is quite a good and interesting question, Guido. And wait, I have to look for my crystal ball to answer it. No. To give a serious answer to that question. This is definitely the most interesting question right now in the field of B2B marketing and B2B communication. The question how this pandemic situation will influence our way of doing business, historically overcome and well proved of doing our business in the next years, is one of the most important questions. And to be honest, human beings are social beings. Therefore, I'm personally strictly convinced that people like to visit shows, that people like to get emotions, to get in personal relationships. So the question or the answer will be, we have to combine, from my perspective, we have to combine for future the advantages of digital formats, which means coverage, costs, and speed, with the elements of physical shows or physical events, which means emotions, relationships, and event.
So Christoph, tell me, what are the major trends in the plastics industry at the moment?
At this point of time, of course, due to the COVID-19 pandemic situation, all medical aspects and all hygienic packaging aspects are on top of our mind. But in long-term running, from our perspective, this will be the issues sustainability, circular economy, and energy saving. So you can put it all in one phrase. Sustainable industrial plastics part production and circular economy.
And is that true for the additive manufacturing technology as well?
I'm overlooking the injection molding industry, and with this perspective I can say definitely yes, because additive manufacturing is able to save energy, to save material, as well in the development of products as in the production of products. And therefore, it is really a very good thing for all these upcoming questions for future. And therefore, I promise AM has a really big future.
All right, so thank you very much, Christoph. Give my regards to all of your colleagues at Arburg in the Black Forest. Thanks for joining and hopefully see you soon and healthy again. Thanks and cheers.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Wonderful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.